Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a ghost train in Minecraft. Get ready to build a truly unique and spooky attraction for your world. We'll cover everything from creating the illusion of invisible tracks to designing a spectral train and adding chilling atmospheric effects. This guide will help you craft an unforgettable, haunted experience for any player. First, let's create the illusion of an invisible track. Dig a trench 2 blocks deep where your train will run. Lay down your powered rails and strategically place redstone torches to keep them active. Then, cover these rails with barrier blocks, which are completely invisible, or use glass panes for a subtle, ethereal look. This forms the foundation of your ghostly ride. Now for the spectral train itself. Design your train using light-colored blocks such as white concrete, quartz, or even gray wool to give it a translucent, ghostly appearance. Integrate glowstone or sea lanterns within the build for an eerie internal glow. Remember to place a minecart on your hidden rails first, then construct your phantom engine around it. To complete your ghost train, add haunting effects. Utilize command blocks to summon smoke particles or even bats as the train passes, creating a mysterious fog. Incorporate note blocks and redstone to generate ghostly whispers or creaking sounds. For visual flair, use daylight sensors connected to redstone lamps to produce flickering light, enhancing the spooky atmosphere. Enjoy your haunted creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.